Hi. Hello, lady. You peed in there. You smell like pee-pee. Would you like to try a tube? Lady. Tube? Okay, now Lady was found as a stray a few years ago. Please stay on the table. Hi. Hello. We're gonna stay on the table, okay? Back up. I don't think you like your carrier. Now, Lady was found as a stray a few years ago. She wandered off to her new home's property where they coaxed her in, obviously domesticated her, but she does have some matting problems. The owners have been successful in shaving out some of the matting, but not all of it. So, I don't know how she will behave for this today, as she's never been professionally groomed. They told me that she does bite, but she's not really trying... Did you hiss? She's not really trying to be aggressive about it, but for safety reasons, we aren't going to take that risk. So I'm just going to put her in an e-collar. And if you don't mind, I'd like to clip your claws. Can I see your claws? He said that they're really, really long. Are they really, really long? If you stay just like this, it'll work out perfectly. It's okay. Good girl. Very good girl. I just want to make sure I clip these before I start her haircut, because I know that she doesn't really like the haircut. And he said they would be very long. There. So I'm just going to clip the front ones for now. Do you want to try some of this? It's really good. Let's see how she does. I'm going to take her down into a lion cut today because she is fairly matted. This is a brand new 10 blade, so it should be nice and sharp. By brand new, I mean freshly sharpened, not like an actual new blade. Good girl. She does, to me, appear to be an older cat. So the reason why the owner was probably successful in shaving the mats off of her back and not her legs is probably because she has some arthritis, but we'll find out. Good girl. Very good. It's got to feel much better. Some pretty tight matting. Yes, good. Lay down. Perfect. That's what I wanted. I'm going to get you all cleaned up, and you definitely need a bath because you stinky like pee. On my last video, people asked why I shaved the cat in reverse, because the haircut looked really good, just shaving it like normally like this. I don't think the camera picks up all of the imperfections in the haircut sometimes, especially when it comes to cats. So whenever I shave it in reverse, it's usually because when I shaved it with the grain of the hair, it was very choppy looking. Sometimes that happens when there's matting, sometimes it's just the coat texture of the cat. And when you shave in reverse, you actually smooth out that haircut. It's okay. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna like these back legs. It's all right. Good job. Hopefully she doesn't have a whole bunch of matting underneath, because I don't think she's gonna appreciate having it shaved. Nope, please don't jump down. Okay, you're doing okay. She's starting to whip her tail, so she's starting to get a bit frustrated with me. If I grab you by your front legs and lift you up, are you going to be okay with that, or are you going to panic? You're going to be okay. Just want to see. You don't like the pets? Nope, 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 nope. Okay. Yeah, she is definitely trying to bite. Are you being nasty? No. No, we are not jumping off the table. It's okay, kitty kitty. So I do want to wrap her paws. That way she cannot scratch me. But she's starting to become more agitated. It's okay. It's okay. The cone is nicer than the treble bubble, but obviously the treble bubble definitely protects me more from her teeth. Because if she wants to, she can definitely bite through this, but she can also still bite me if she figures out how to maneuver this cone. So I think I'm going to take it off. I'm going to put her in the treble bubble. I am going to give her just a little bit of a break, and then I'm going to try to wrap her paws so that once she's in the bubble and her paws are wrapped, I can do a better job of shaving without getting scratched. You got me with the other paw. Okay. Wrapping the paws is not going to happen, so I'm gonna hope that I can get her shaved. Thing is, I can't really feel what I'm doing with this, but I'm trying to help you. Good girl. It's okay. Just don't scratch my face, please. Ah, you're still getting me through that, aren't you? Fortunately, there's only so much I can do. It's okay. I want to be able to stretch the skin when I am shaving, and I can't do that if she's going to fight me. But really, I just want to make sure that she doesn't have any matting before she goes home. I don't really care what the haircut looks like, just as long as she doesn't have any mats. It's okay. It's okay, see? That's not bad. Yeah, I know. It's okay though. I probably am going to bathe her just because she's covered in pee. And by the state of her coat, I don't believe that she is self-grooming very well. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I think your back end really needs it though, girlfriend. I know. It's okay. It's safe to say if she was not muzzled, she would be biting the crap out of me. You can clearly see that back here is quite matted. I don't know how I'm going to get your nail is stuck in my glove. It's okay, pretty kitty. She really doesn't want me going underneath her tail at all. When cats are like this, they're a two-person job. One person holds while the other person shaves. I do not have employees, and people always ask me why I don't have employees. It's okay, please don't do that. No, 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 please don't do that. I don't have employees because I only groom one pet a day, and there's nobody that I can employ that would be willing to only work once a day, and the hours are going to be unknown. So sometimes when I groom a pet, it takes me the whole day. Sometimes it only takes me an hour. Sometimes it takes me 4 hours. It just depends. So it's a very unstable job that most people can't afford to do because they need steady work and they need to know their work hours. And I don't take volunteers, even though people have offered to volunteer. There's just too much of a liability there. So yeah, that's the reason why I don't have two people. The cameraman helps sometimes, but he doesn't like working with cats because he doesn't really understand how to hold them properly and he doesn't want to get hurt, and I don't blame him. So I do the best that I can as one person, and it is what it is. You have a lot of poop on your butt, ma'am. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. We're going to try to make this really quick, okay? It's okay. Most of the time when you put a cat in the bath, the aggression stops because they're so scared. Are you okay? No. No. It's okay. Come over here. Come over here. Over here. I normally would not force a very scared cat through a bath like this. The only reason why I'm doing that is because she's covered in pee and she has poo on her. So that's the reason why she actually needs it. She smells pretty bad. I don't know if that's from just being in the carrier on the way here or if that was happening before. She does seem like a senior cat. She seems to be relaxing a little bit now, so maybe she's okay. You're okay? I just didn't want to be in the tub. It's okay. I do want to scrub your butt, though. I know, you don't like your butt touched, I know. It's okay. Usually, when you put them in the tub, even if they were being aggressive on the table, they typically stop being aggressive because they're more focused on being scared. Okay? And I'm gonna have to change the carrier mat. Good girl. Good girl. I know, you don't like those back legs being touched. I know. It's almost over. Good. There we go. A lot of people tell me that I shouldn't groom cats when they are like this if I don't have a helper because it's not fair to them. And while I do agree, I just want to point out that the majority of the cats and dogs that I groom are on a last term basis, meaning either the owners cannot afford to get them groomed, or they simply just will not get them groomed, or the cat has been turned down by multiple groomers, or they simply can't find somebody to groom cats because most groomers only groom dogs. It's not very common in my area to find groomers that do both cats and dogs. So that's partly the reason why I work with the cats that I do, is kind of just to help the pet out and help the owner out. So typically if somebody calls me and says that their cat is extremely aggressive and even the vet can't touch the cat or something like that, then I typically say no. But that wasn't the case for this. It was just more so they were trying to do it themselves. They were having a hard time. And they knew that the cat could be a little bit aggressive, but they didn't think the cat would be super aggressive. She was, but still, it's mostly just out of fear. I'm sorry. So that's the reason why I will work on cats like this, but I just want to point out that I also don't know that cats are going to be this way. The majority of the cats that you see me groom are really, really good, and most of them just turn out to be that way. It's only a few and far between that are like this. Okay, lady, I just need to give you a little bit of a brush, please and thank you, and then you can go home, okay? Have we calmed down now? Okay, good girl. Just quickly, because she seemed to have calmed down a bit after that bath and dry. I am just going to quickly go over the parts that she's okay with being shaved. Just trying to smooth out the haircut a little bit. Hey, girl. It's okay. Okay, that was just a little bit of shaving on the top of her body just because it was uneven, and obviously that's what they're going to be looking at the most. Yeah. This isn't my usual type of lion cut, but it's going to do for today because Miss Lady has had enough. As a reminder, the majority of the grooms that I do are not for aesthetic purposes. They are for the health and well-being of the animal. Normally I'm doing grooms on some pretty stressed out animals that aren't used to grooming, and they are typically matted. Don't scratch me. Just making sure I'm checking for mats. I unfortunately can't do a really thorough job of checking for mats underneath, but we tried, right? Good girl. Very good. Much better than earlier. Good. Good, good. Okay, you're all done? You want to go back in your house? Let's take this off. Can I give you a brush on your head? Okay, that's it. I put a pee pad in her crate so that she doesn't sit on her pee. You gonna go back in there? If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that follow or subscribe button and share with all of your friends, because that helps to support more complimentary grooms just like Lady's. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in a few days.